Good morning, everybody. It's 11 a.m. and just turned 26 seconds on September 17th. This is the drawing for the Raw. Very nice copy of Amazing Spider-Man 129. Congratulations. This might be the quickest big waffle ever. This is closed, paid for, and running in less than an hour. So I think that's pretty amazing. Over here on the left are the 42 filled spots. I'm going to go up very quickly. Jeff, I apologize. I was in a rush. I did not fill in your full name. It's just Jeff K. And I'm going to go back down. Just want everybody to see that they are filled in properly. Okay? So we're going to roll our 3 dice. The number is the number 10. I'm going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I'm going to do my best to get this out in today's mail. So good luck, everybody, and away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here, 9, and here is the final one, 10. Spot 2, John Garner. Congratulations. Time is 11:01 and 52 seconds.